Morning, everybody. It's 8:30 on Wednesday, December the 1st, first day of a new month, usually somewhat bullish, and we are set up for a pretty nice oversold bounce from yesterday. Asia and Europe are both higher, and we had the ADP jobs number, which is the precursor to the big jobs number, the government one, the one that they screw around with. ADP gained 534,000 jobs, and that's versus a revised down 5,000 to 570. So slightly lower, but pretty much in line with what was expected. The Dow this morning, before the ADP numbers, were up 350 in the Dow, up 250 in the NASDAQ, up 62 in the S&P. Currently up 311, so a little bit of a sell-off there, up 208 in the NASDAQ, also a little bit of a sell-off, and up 54 versus up 62 in the S&P. Salesforce CRM beat yesterday, but the guidance was a miss. The stock is 265.5, down 19.52 or 6.7%. Although that stock has had a real nice run to the upside, it is soft here this morning. Excuse me. Allbirds, BIRD, the sustainable sneaker company. Revenues up 33%, but a wider than expected loss. This company hasn't been around that long, but the high on it was 32.44 the day of the IPO. The low is now 18.08. That is a new low since the company is public, and last is 18.24, down $1 or 5.2%. Umbrella, huge beat. The stock is 206, up 26.48 or 15%. And the Fed Advisory Board, this is not the Fed, the FDA. The FDA Advisory Board is the recommendation board, not the actual FDA, and they are positive on the Merck pill. The stock closed 74.91 yesterday. It was up to 79.72 on the news, which came after the close yesterday. But now it's 75.65, and that's only up 78 cents and over $4 from the high, up just 1%. Chart on the screen is the oil, and as you can see, this is another inside day. I still think oil probably works higher, but until we get back through 72 and change, 72.93, I believe, right here. Yeah, 72.93. I can't see anything. We are below the 200-day moving average. The 5 went through the 20 here. The 20 went through the 50 here. And price has just fallen. So I'm a little concerned there. Gold, another one that was much stronger yesterday before the Powell testimony, which, by the way, I have a feeling he walks back a bit today. But until we can close above 1806.30, I can't get excited about the gold. Yes, it is in this area of consolidation and support. When we look at the fib retracement numbers, let's see, tools. We have the 50% retracement, runs right through the whole center of this chart. So I expect that this is going to be a little bit of a problem, and I can't get too excited. We are along the GDX calls, which is the miners, and we'll have to see. Yesterday, they were very strong when the gold was 1811, and then it came all the way back down to 1771, a $40 sell-off. Today, again, an inside day, although up $12. So we'll get a little bit of help there. And in the cryptos, Bitcoin is down 135, which is basically unchanged. But the interesting part here is that Ethereum, again, is up 45 and a half. The divergence here is stunning, to say the least. We are awfully close to a new all-time high in Ethereum. The old high was 49.02. We've currently traded as high as 48.27 here. So we're less than $100 away here. But on the Bitcoin, which is trading at, trading at 57 and change, the high is dramatically higher. The high is almost 70,000. So we're 20% below the high here, and we're $100 below the high in the Ethereum. I clearly favor that, and I strongly advise staying away from BITO. All right, everyone, there you have it. Take advantage of today's action to the upside. If you want to be a seller, I would not be a buyer right here on the rally. I don't like to buy up $300 gap ups. Have a good one. Be careful. Keep your position sizes